The 10th play, which we also find on folio 21 verso, is the instruction is simply the player has struck at my head, but the illustration shows the weapon has been driven to the ground and you're stepping on it, and you have a control with the left hand on the extended sword arm. And he says that he can turn you with that. So, so from here, you're stepping in and controlling, and of course you can do the usual things, and you should be stepping on the sword, but that gets very expensive. And I can turn you. The thing is, if I push Jess hard on the elbow, she is going to let go of that sword, aren't you?
Yep.
You've got no choice, really.
Nope.
So, as she comes to strike, I beat it to the ground. I have to step in here, and then it's a third step, Fiore doesn't describe this, but I would do a third step to get my foot onto that, and then push, and now I have control. So the blow is coming to the head. I'm driving it to the ground, controlling the arm, stepping on the sword. He doesn't refer to it in the text, but it's there in the picture. And if I do the push that he tells us to do, now I have freedom to strike. One more?
Nice.
Nice, isn't it?